was A. Say hello to letter B. Tap your toe. Here we go. Go. Nice work, that was B. Let's meet letter C. C. Clap your hands. C. Take a stand. C. Dance on land. Fantastic, that was C. Up next, letter D. D. Shout hooray. D. Dance and play. D. All the way. Awesome, that was D. Here comes letter E. Energy. Sing with me. E. 1, 2, 3. You nailed it, that was E. Let's go with letter F. Have some fun. Everyone. Jump and run. Well done, that was F. It's time for letter G. G. Go. G. Nice and slow. G. Let's glow. Cool moves, that was G. Make some noise for letter H. Shake your head. H. Move ahead. H. Dance instead. You did it, that was H. Now it's letter I. Wave up high. I touch the sky. Don't be shy. Perfect, that was I. Give a cheer for letter J. Jump around. Make that sound. Playground bound. Nice job, that was J. Let's clap for letter K. Kick and spin. Show your grin. Let's begin. You rock, that was K. Here comes letter L. Here we are. Superstar. Amazing, that was L. Say hello to letter M. Move your feet. Feel the beat. Yeah, that was M. Time for letter N. Nice and neat. And clap the beat. And that's so sweet. Good job, that was N. Let's sing letter O. Open wide. Side to side. Dance with pride. Fantastic, that was O. Up next, letter P. Pop and play. P. Sing today. P. Hooray. You did great, that was P. Get ready for letter Q. Q. Quick and fun. Q. Everyone. Q. Jump and run. Awesome, that was Q. Let's go with letter R. Rock and roll. R. Heart and soul. R. In control. Nice work, that was R. Here comes letter S. Sing with me. S. 1, 2, 3. S. Dance and see. Great singing, that was S. It's letter T time. T. Tap your toe. T. Here we go. T. Go. Yes, that was T. Wave hello to letter U. Up and down. You spin around. You funny sound. Good job, that was U. Let's dance with letter V. Very cool. V. Letter rule. V. Party school. Nice moves, that was V. Get ready for letter W. Wave your hand. Isn't it grand? Take a stand. You nailed it, that was W. Now it's letter X. Excellent. We invent. Such event. Cool job, that was X. Here comes letter Y. Yes we can. Y. Big new plan. Y. Sing again. You did it, that was Y. And finally letter Z. Zoom away. Z. What a day. Amazing, that was Z. We did it from A to Z. You're all so smart, you're learning with me. Clap your hands and shout hooray. We love letters every day.